During a history lesson, I was called to the board. Sweat on my forehead, I was sure I would get a failing grade because I hadn't studied at all. When the teacher asked me to point out a specific city that took part in the war, a name I was hearing for the first time by the way, I thought, well, this is probably the end. But, well, a moment later, I figured something out. It won't hurt to try and guess. So I just pointed somewhere on the map where it seems most likely, where cities were actually visible. I pointed and I was close enough that it was counted as correct answer. And why I'm telling this story? Well, I'm telling it because that's often how AI works. It makes things up on the spot, based on probabilities of which word should come next, the same way I did. But this way of generating content comes with a problem. Just like I could have guessed wrong, AI can also guess wrong. And that can lead to what's called a hallucination. In other words, you got an answer that isn't true. What's more, AI is trained in such a way that it's actually encouraged to behave like this, to guess. Because when it guesses correctly, well, it's rewarded. Since guessing is encouraged, the models, like AI, hallucinate too.